This Tempe home is in one of the most coveted neighborhoods in all of the Southeast Valley, Circle G. It's a custom home neighborhood fit for executives looking for luxury lifestyle. Let's head into this fully renovated custom home. Just wait till you check out the great room. Here's your front formal room. It just sets the stage for what is coming. Now, boom, there it is. Look at these wood beam ceilings, just flowing natural light. It opens up over here to the huge chef's kitchen with this giant island. Just imagine hosting dinner parties all the way around this island that just seems to go forever. The fine details with the range and oven and the backsplashes, custom refrigerator. You've got a basement here for all the kids or guests to play, set up perfectly. As we head over here to the first floor primary suite, you've got those double doors that lead to a private courtyard and hot tub, but check out this shower tub combo. Just imagine relaxing after a long day in this bathroom. If you want full details or a tour, comment 2173.